I really hate my cat. It is the most useless thing that's not gonna come up ever. And I'm gonna have sex. You never use your
What a rush, what a rush, what a rush. All I meant is that I have a Disney man. Did you come in for a sus? It's nothing but crowd. Mrs. Mooney has a shop. Does a business like the other neighbours can't have disappeared. Oh, in the hat, what I call enterprise. Popping pussies into pies. Wouldn't do my pussies. Just the thought of it's enough to make you sick. And I'm telling you, Mrs. Mooney has a tick. It's not just and it looks like and tastes like it's shitty. 9 times.
9 times.
So why don't you drop by sometime when he's here and take advantage of his
I am, sir, at your disposal. Oh.
He's a cock. Some more blue woman.
Well, I hope you have some time, ma'am, for I'm here on official business.
Official?
That's right, ma'am. You see, there's been complaints.
Complaints?
It's about the stink from your They say at night it's something foul. Well, you look here, being my responsibility, I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to let me take a look.